Welcome back, smart buyers! Today, we're diving into the world of processors, comparing the AMD Ryzen 77700X and the AMD Ryzen 5 7600. Get ready for an epic showdown between these two powerhouses. Will the Ryzen 7 blow the Ryzen 5 out of the water? Or will the Ryzen 5 hold its ground? Let's find out. In the red corner, we have the Ryzen 7 7700X, priced at a wallet-squeezing $399. And in the blue corner, the Ryzen 5 7600, coming in at a much friendlier $229. For those looking to save some bucks, Ryzen 5 is the clear winner here. Now let's talk about cores. The Ryzen 7 7700X boasts 8 cores and 16 threads. Meanwhile, the Ryzen 5 7600 rocks 6 cores and 12 threads. More cores mean better multitasking and performance under heavy loads. Reviewers say the Ryzen 7 is perfect for demanding applications and multitasking, while the Ryzen 5 still handles gaming and everyday tasks efficiently. And in the speed department, Ryzen 7's base clock is a sizzling 4.5 GHz, with a max boost of 5.4 GHz. Ryzen 5, you're clocking in at a cool 3.8 GHz base and a max boost of 5.1 GHz. According to reviewers, the Ryzen 7 offers exceptional performance and is great for high frame rates in gaming, while the Ryzen 5 provides a good balance of speed and efficiency. Now, check out the cache. Ryzen 7, you've got a whopping 80 megabytes cache. Ryzen 5, you've got 32 megabytes. A larger cache can significantly improve performance in data-heavy tasks. Reviewers appreciate the Ryzen 7's ability to handle detailed tasks effortlessly, while the Ryzen 5, though smaller, still provides sufficient memory for most applications. Graphics alert, Ryzen 7. You're all about that raw power, no built-in graphics here. Ryzen 5, you come with AMD Radeon graphics. This makes the Ryzen 5 a more versatile choice for those who don't want to invest in a separate GPU. Reviewers highlight the Ryzen 5's integrated graphics as a great value addition, while Ryzen 7 users often pair it with high-end GPUs for maximum performance. Reviewers praise the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X for its exceptional performance, efficiency, and ability to handle demanding applications with ease. However, it runs hot and requires good cooling solutions. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5 7600 is celebrated for its excellent price-performance ratio, integrated graphics, and stability in gaming and daily tasks, though it also runs hot under heavy loads. So there you have it, folks. Both the Ryzen 7 7700X and the Ryzen 5 7600 are absolute beasts in their own right. If you're all about that top-tier performance and have the cash to splash, Ryzen 7 is your go-to. But if you're looking for great value and solid performance, Ryzen 5 is a fantastic choice. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below about which processor you'd pick and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and happy buying!